India is a land of remarkable diversity, where every corner tells a story of culture, tradition, and the indomitable spirit of its people. Vimla Devi from Jaipur is one of the first women e-rickshaw drivers in the city. Rekha from Maheshwar now uses eco-friendly dyes and gets better prices for her handloom saris. Meenakshi from Muzaffarpur now pays her monthly EMI through her cell phone. At HSBC India, we are dedicated to turning a billion ambitions to reality. We believe in the power of responsibility that extends into the heart of communities. Through strategic CSR grants, we are driving lasting change on the strength of our partnerships with grassroots organizations. Our programs are execution-focused, creating proof of concept, scalable and replicable across the country, and advancing the innovation and learning agenda. At HSBC, we are investing in what matters: people and planet. India has the world's largest youth population, with a rising demand for skilling to increase employability. So, we pioneered the HSBC Skills for Life program, a first-of-its-kind pan-India outcome-based skilling program by a private sector organization to train youth and women in 10 sectors that had the potential to create jobs. Working on skilling since 2012 demonstrated the need for a special approach to train youth with disabilities. Learnings from HSBC Skills for Life was used to create India's first Skills Impact Bond, to which HSBC is also an outcome funder. Our programs have helped uplift thousands of rural women out of poverty, achieving financial independence through India's first rural MBA program. In Jaipur, HSBC helped establish the Pink City Rickshaw Company, a women-owned e-rickshaw business that's now expanding to other cities. All our programs revealed that digital transformation and awareness are key drivers for growth and sustainability. So, we train women and men to secure and repay loans digitally. As part of a 3-phase program focusing on increasing awareness of digital payment platforms, enhancing digital disbursements and repayments. While we improve lives for people, preserving the planet becomes even more crucial, because when we protect nature, we protect our future. India is now the 7th most climate vulnerable country, with millions at risk of floods, droughts and extreme heat. HSBC has championed environmental sustainability since 2002. Our efforts are creating lasting impact through long-term investments. The HSBC Water Program has, over 8 years, ensured access to water, quality sanitation, and improved health of the river Ganga and river Ramganga. With more than 80% of India vulnerable to extreme climate conditions, our Climate Solutions Partnership is driving energy transitions across 16 states, impacting over 1 million people by improving dairy supply chain and healthcare. While our nature initiatives are conserving vital ecosystems and building resilience of farmers through climate-smart agriculture. We believe knowledge, incubation and innovation are key to drive long-term impact. We realize the importance of fostering transformative change by partnering with premier academic and research institutions. Together with our valued partners, we are improving over 2 million lives every year. As India advances, opportunities for growth and impact increase. At HSBC India, we are just getting started.